Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Conda is a popular package and environment manager in the Python ecosystem. It allows users to create isolated environments with different versions of Python and various packages. Sometimes, you may need to change the Python version of an existing Conda environment to match the requirements of a specific project or package. This tutorial will guide you through the process of changing the Python version of a Conda environment. First, let's list all the existing Conda environments on your system to identify the environment whose Python version you want to change. Open your terminal or command prompt and type. This command will display a list of all Conda environments along with their paths. Once you've identified the environment you want to modify, activate it using the following command, replacing my_env with the name of your environment. To confirm the current Python version in the activated environment, you can run. This command will display the current Python version installed in the environment. Now, let's change the Python version of the environment. Conda allows you to install different versions of Python using the conda install command. For example, to install Python 3.8, you can use replace 3.8 with the desired Python version. After installing the new Python version, verify that it has been successfully installed by running. This command should now display the updated Python version. It's a good practice to update all packages in the environment to ensure compatibility with the new Python version. Run the following command to update all packages. Once you've completed the necessary changes, deactivate the environment using. In this tutorial, you learned how to change the Python version of a Conda environment. By following these steps, you can easily modify the Python version to meet the requirements of your projects or packages. Remember to exercise caution when changing Python versions, as it may affect the compatibility of existing packages within the environment. Always back up your environment or create a new one if you're uncertain about the impact of the version change. Happy coding! ChatGPT